Hello everyone, welcome back to Vector Labs FZE LLC. In this tutorial, we are going to develop WhatsApp UI using Flutter and Android Studio, in which we will create chats, status and calls tab and add further icons. So let's start our tutorial. First open Windows PowerShell, create WhatsApp UI folder, open it in Android Studio and select project. Go to library and main dot, remove theme and rename title WhatsApp UI. Then set home chat page and in void main add widgets Flutter binding. If the platform is Android or iOS, then it will run app, otherwise it will exit. Remove extra classes and create stateful widget chat page and open it in virtual device. Remove debug banner. Replace placeholder with default tab controller. Set its length 3 and add child scaffold. First customize app bar, then add body tab bar view. Then put a new class WhatsApp bar and customize it. Implement preferred size widget. Then below override add size get preferred size from height 120. In tab bar view add children, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp status and WhatsApp calls. Now add a floating button. Customize it. On pressed it will give no function. Selected shape circular and background color teal and shade 500. Then add a child icon and add message icon. Select color of icon white and size 30. Then add new dot files for WhatsApp chats, status and calls. First add WhatsApp chats. Then for WhatsApp status and WhatsApp calls. Here import material dot dot. Go to main dot and import these dots. WhatsApp chats, status and calls. Here import stateless widget and rename WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp status and WhatsApp calls. So our Scratch app has been created. Now customize it. Replace placeholder with app bar and select background color. Then add a title row and add children. First add a text for WhatsApp. Then add a new row and select their alignment. And add children for WhatsApp icons. For these icons, add a new dot file, WhatsApp icons. Import material dart and class stateless widget. Name it WhatsApp icons. Add final icon data icon. Then color. And on tab button. Then position from right. Add required objects. Replace placeholder with padding. In padding, add a child material and select its color transparent. Then put a child inkwell. Select its border radius. On tap it will give no function. And add child icon. In icon there will be two requirements, icon and color. Go to main dart and import WhatsApp icons. In children, add WhatsApp icons. First add camera. Select its color white. On tab empty and position from right 20. Copy it and paste it 3 times more. In second icon, add search. In third, add flight mode. And in last, add more vertical. Now move it to the right portion of screen. Go to row and set main axis alignment space between. Customize style of text WhatsApp. Select color and font size. In bottom add tab bar and add tabs WhatsApp tabs. Add a new dart file WhatsApp tabs. And add a string text. Go to build context and add text. Import package WhatsApp tabs and add text, chats, status, and in third one, calls. So our tabs has been created. Now customize tab bar. Select the label color and indicator color. Its size and weight. And box decoration. Set its border radius to 40. And add indicator padding. Move it from the bottom and customize unselected label. Now enlarge the text. Add font weight and font size. In WhatsApp chats, add return container, set its width and height infinity. Now add a child list to view forward contacts, set primary false, and add children WhatsApp contacts. Add a new dot WhatsApp contacts. Add final strings, image URL, contact name, message, and date. Then import padding. Add container, set its width and height, and add a child material and set its color transparent. On tab inkwell will give no function and set axis alignments of row. In row then add a padding and clip rect. In it add image asset for the contact image and set its size. Then add a padding for text, contact name, customize its text style, and add text for the message. Then add a padding for the date and customize it. Go to WhatsApp chats and in children add WhatsApp contacts. Copy it and paste. Select image URL. I have added images to assets folder. To get images and whole code, open the GitHub link given in the description. Create assets folder and import images. Select their path. Go to PubSpec and select assets. Set contact name, message sent or received, and date of message. Same as it is, customize the other WhatsApp contacts, set their image, contact name, message and dates. Then go to WhatsApp status and import the script. First add a container, customize its width and height, select color white because we are developing light mode. You can develop dark mode by selecting proper colors. Then add a column and in column add some children. First add padding for the whole page, then add a container of proper width and height, then import a child material, set its color and import inkwell. Keep its on tab function empty and add a child row. Then add padding for our image and add stack. In stack, first add row and make clip rect its children. Set its border radius 50 and import our image. Then add padding for WhatsApp plus button, used to add status update. Then add padding for two texts, my status and tab to add status update. For my status, add another padding and in this padding add text. After this padding, add a new text, tab to add status update and customize its style. Now for WhatsApp plus button, add a new class WhatsApp plus button and add a container of height 30 and width 30. Set its decoration and same as it is material and inkwell and add a constant icon add. Then go to WhatsApp calls and add a container for the whole page, set its color white, then add padding for add call button. In this padding add container of height 25 and width 10. Customize its decoration. In the last add icon add call. So our all dots are ready. Let's check our app. So it is showing WhatsApp text and camera search and other icons. In tabs it's showing chats, status and calls. In status it is showing some problem. In calls is a add call button. First remove status issue, go to WhatsApp status and deselect padding. So our status is also ready. In chats there are some contacts, Flutter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and so on. In status it is showing our image and text my status. Click to add status update and to make a call click on add call button. Hope so you learned from this video many more, and if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe our channel to get more updates immediately. And if you want our services, connect us on LinkedIn, link given in the description. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.